In the 1970s, when the sound of two-stroke exhausts dominated the streets and adrenaline was part of every twist of the throttle, the Yamaha Rd 350 was born as a symbol of speed, daring, and freedom. Introduced in 1973, it became one of the biggest icons in the history of two-stroke sport bikes. Powered by a two-cylinder parallel air-cooled engine with a capacity of 347 cubic centimeters, the Rd 350 offered outstanding performance for its time. With its reed valve system and dual carburetors, the bike was capable of producing around 39 horsepower, enough to earn it the nickname Pocket Rocket. The roaring sound and aggressive acceleration made the Rd 350 a favorite on the racetrack and road. A concept bike leaked to the public recently made waves in the automotive world, especially for lovers of classic two-strokes. Yamaha seems to be preparing for the rebirth of one of its most legendary icons, the Yamaha Rd 350. If this rumor is true, then we stand on the verge of reviving a legend. The bike's design combines the retro aesthetics of the 70s with aggressive modern touches. The classic orange tank with black graphics and a large Yamaha logo on the right side is a direct homage to the original Rd 350. The gold upside-down front suspension gives the bike a muscular and contemporary feel, while the rims with dual-purpose tires signify that this bike is not just about looking stylish on the asphalt. The straight dual exhaust on the right side is a touch of nostalgia that stands out. The leaked engine is a 347 cubic centimeters two-cylinder two-stroke that has been customized with modern technologies such as an electronic combustion system, precision oil injection, and a catalytic converter to meet Euro 5 emission standards. The power produced is estimated to touch 45 to 50 HP with a weight that remains light and agile like its predecessor. If Yamaha does release this 2025 version, the impact will be tremendous. The motorcycle world will be rejuvenated by the presence of a two-stroke engine wrapped in a retrofuturistic design. This could be a revolutionary step, reviving the two-stroke motorcycle segment that has been buried by regulations.